Hi everyone, welcome to this month's Financial Markets Update. I'm Piers Bolger, Chief Investment Officer here at Viridian Financial Group. Well, it's been a really interesting time for financial markets. After a very difficult end to 2018, the first quarter, and including April, has been a very strong period for financial markets. Equities as well as bonds have rallied quite significantly. We've seen a big uptick in equity markets and certainly bond yields have declined. So that's been really positive for financial market returns. But in the last week and a half, we've seen some very interesting developments. The comments coming out of the White House over the weekend has certainly caused a pretty significant disruption in equity markets. Whilst here locally, we had the RBA decide not to cut interest rates, and we expected that, and we still believe that the RBA is going to be on hold for an extended period. So when we think about the construct of both the global side of it as well on the domestic front, what does it mean from an asset allocation point of view? And in our view, we've been thinking having a more defensive approach to our portfolios. That's worked well for us. But on the back of, as I said, sort of some of this sell-off in equity markets, our view that the cash rates are going to be on hold for an extended period, potentially go lower, but we don't think in the near term. We are looking to change our strategy somewhat and take a little bit more cash away from those defensive investments and put it into work, just slightly neutralising some of our positions. We think investment markets at the moment are still relatively fairly priced, but it's, as I said, it's those exogenous geopolitical events that are really driving markets at the moment. So from an investment point of view, as I said, we're still maintaining a cautious stance, but we are going to look to put some of that cash to work that's been on the sidelines for the last little while, given the pullback that we've seen in equity markets. As always in these challenging times, we think it's really important to stay close to your financial advisor, for them to be able to articulate the strategies and, as I said, be able to give you good direction in regards to your individual investments. As always, thanks very much for your time, and we look forward to catching up with you next month. Bye for now.